Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my last subscription box for the month. No, I'm lying. I still have Allure, but it is my last Ipsy. I'm done with BoxyCharm. I know that the past few months have been like unboxing after unboxing after unboxing, but I asked you guys in my last unboxing what you thought about, do you want to keep the videos separate? Do you want to put them together? And it's kind of a mixed bag, so I'll just see how they arrive and then go from there. But for this month, this is the last one. We're unboxing Ipsy Plus today, and it's actually an unbagging now. So they actually switched from boxes to the bubble mailers, which I don't mind really either way. I'm fine with it. I try to recycle or reuse no matter what it is. Typically I reuse the bubble mailers and I recycle the boxes, but they feel like this is going to be a little bit more environmentally friendly. To me, it has no effect. I don't mind it either way because I'll definitely recycle or reuse. But without further ado, so this one is $25 a month. You do get full sizes in this one, so I'm really excited to see what we got, and everything's kind of loose in there, so I'm just gonna pull things out. I can feel the bag. So this bag is different than the others this month. The other ones are that like really pretty, oh I have it here, this. So they actually did like a little combo, which they're both really cute, but I much prefer the quilted. This one will probably make its way into a giveaway, or I'll give it to someone. I get so many bags that I do like to share because I just have too many. It's like this light, soft, metallic pink, and it's like a faux leather, maroon on the inside. So it is cute, nothing wrong with that. That is our bag. Let's see. All right, next I got something from Murad. I do really like Murad products. This is the Essential C Day Moisture. It's SPF 30. I have actually used this. I went through an entire tube and I really like this moisturizer. I usually prefer my SPF in a spray. That way I can reapply it. But if you do want to start your day with a moisturizer with SPF, this would be a great way to go. It's SPF 30, of course, broad spectrum. And this is what the inside packaging looks like. I really like this one. I'm super glad to have it back in my life. And like I said, I love Murad products. This one smells a little citrusy, but it's definitely got like sunscreen scent. Not everybody loves it, but I don't mind it at all. I actually kind of like the scent, but it's not strong and overpowering. By the time I massage it in, I just smell like a light citrus. I didn't actually get the card that tells you about the products. I do like having that, but I feel like one of my other boxes also didn't have it. I can't remember the price offhand. I'll try to remember to put them on the screen for you, but I know that it's more than $25. I think it's around $45. I know it's a little bit pricier, but it is so good. So very happy with that first item. What's next? Oh, okay, we got the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I think this is Sweater Weather. No, what's this called? It just says eyeshadow palette. What's the name of it? I think this is called Sweater Weather. One of the colors is called Sweater Weather, but I'm not seeing like the name of the palette on here, but you guys get the gist. Gosh, I could just stop talking about it. But this is what the little palette looks like. I'll be honest, I love Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadows. I feel like they're really good quality. But when I first saw this, I was a little confused about the color arrangement. Like, this is very warm and everything else is so cool. I guess, you know, it's just a combo, but I did think it was a bit of a weird, like, mixture of colors. But I do really like the formula, so I'm keen to try them. And we're gonna swatch these. Why not? There's only 6 shades. These are the first 3 right here. And that is the last 3 colors. All right, so there is all 6 shades on the back of my hand. I feel like these colors do look really nice. And this warm color doesn't come off quite as warm on the swatch, so that just may be the way it appears in the pan. I will definitely try this out. And like I said, I like the quality of her shadows, so I feel like this is going to be a good little palette to have. This is definitely a nice travel-friendly little size. If this is the look you're going for the weekend or whatever, I think it's good to travel with. I cannot remember the price, but I think when you purchase this, it comes with 2 glosses, like minis. I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. But at any rate, that is our little sweater palette. Sorry, I don't know the name of it. I wish I had my little paperwork. All right, what's next? Oh, okay, so I did select the foundation shade. This is from Wander Beauty. It's the Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. I did get the shade Fair, so hopefully this will be nice. It doesn't appear to have a big color range, and I do have to say, like, it looks a little dark for a fair, but I think it might actually match me, because here lately the lightest shades and a lot of foundations have not been matching me, wherein that used to be the case. Oh, okay, I was expecting a squeeze tube, but it's got, I knew that was gonna happen. This doe foot's a little big, so it like splattered out a little bit. But let's see what the shade, oh, This is very dark for the lightest shade. Like I said, I think I can definitely make this work. It might be a little bit warmer than my natural skin tone on the face, but I think I'll definitely be able to make this work, especially once I get just a teeny bit of sun. I think it's gonna be okay. But I do have to say, I'm not the lightest person out there, so there's definitely not a good enough shade range. I like Wander Beauty products, so I'm not bashing by any means, but when I looked at it, I didn't see enough light, I didn't see enough dark, and there's not a lot of variation. So I know, you know, some brands just don't have that big a shade range, but there's a whole world of color out here, and you know, obviously this is matching my hand, which is going to be a little bit darker than my face. But at any rate, I do want to try the formula. I do typically, like I said, like their products, so I'm interested to try it. And getting a foundation is really cool because now we can do that. They've been sampling it, and hopefully they'll keep it up and make it better. I feel like, you know, they're just getting started with that, so hopefully they will improve upon it. But I will use this really soon and test it out. It does look like it's oxidizing maybe a little bit, so I might have to self-tan to use this one, but it's no big deal. We're gonna see what it's like. We got 2 more products. This is from Maquillaje, and I actually have on the mascara today. I have like literally 1 coat of mascara, and it's amazing. I really, really like that mascara. We got the ink liner from Maquillaje, so this is what the packaging looks like. Let's open this guy up. Nothing special about the packaging, but let's see. Oh, this is a really interesting applicator. Like, it's very long and the component doesn't come up high on it, so I don't know, let's see. I'm gonna swatch it next to these shadows. Ooh, that was a nice little flick. It's bleeding a little bit on my hand, but that tends to happen with me regardless and usually doesn't affect how it performs on the eyes. But that is the liner. That's the ink liner in black from Maquillaje. So because I love the mascara, I'm really, really keen to try the liner and see how it goes. It looks really nice. It looks super black. And yeah, I will definitely try it out. If you guys want to see me use it in a video, let me know, as with any of these products. And we've got one more thing, and I actually got this previously, maybe in BoxyCharm, I don't know. And I don't know if I kept it or put it in a giveaway or what. It's just, at this point, I can't remember. But this is the Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. So I'll have to locate the other one and see what I did with it. I feel like I wanted to try this, so I'm not going to open this one up because it will likely be a duplicate. And I'll probably put this in a giveaway just because I don't want to waste products, you know, I don't want to open it up. But I'm interested to try this. It's really not one of the more exciting items in this bag, if I'm being 100% honest. I'm definitely more excited about other products, but I'm not mad at it. It's a really good, like, cruelty-free vegan. I think they're more of a natural brand. So yeah, that's our last item. I have to say, I wasn't sure when I saw some of the spoilers if I was going to be like super keen on this bag, but even with just these 4 items before, you know, the Dr. Botanicals thing, I was already really happy. The fact that I already love this moisturizer is like obviously a great start for me because it's a full size, it's way more than the cost of the bag, and I'm obviously going to get a lot of use out of it. And the other things I'm really interested to try. I feel like brand wise this is a really, really good bag. You're getting Murad, Dominique, Wander, Maquillaje, and Dr. Botanicals, which is a good brand. So overall, I'm really, really impressed with this bag. For $25, I think it's a great deal. You could literally pick up maybe one of these products for that price. So I am thrilled. So let me know what you are thinking about this Ipsy Glam bag Plus. Do you think it was worth the money? Also, you guys can continue to leave me your feedback if you want these unboxings done together or separate or what. Obviously, if they're coming like at the same time, I will be glad to do them together if you prefer, but we'll just see how it goes. But I'm looking for your guys' feedback. If you have any requests for videos, something you want to see that I'm not doing or whatnot, just leave your feedback down below. I'm really curious to hear from you guys, and I hope you are doing so amazing. Be sure to leave me a big thumbs up if you like these unboxings, and I will continue to do them for you guys. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!